Tanse. It's in the spirit of celebration and respect that I send congratulations to the First Peoples Cultural Council for 30 years of supporting First Nations languages and cultures in British Columbia. Since 1990, the First Peoples Cultural Council has worked to bring life to First Nations languages as well as cultural activities, which are crucial to the First Nations peoples in British Columbia. Today, the First Peoples Cultural Council is recognized worldwide as a leader in the revitalization of language and culture. By using new and ancient teaching tools like the First Peoples Map and the First Voices resources, the First Peoples Cultural Council has done much to preserve and breathe new life into First Nations cultures and languages. Of course, British Columbia has 34 distinct languages and 61 dialects within those mother tongues. It's been proven that being able to see and describe the world in our traditional languages makes for healthier and more capable people who can better contribute to their families and society. We now have Bill C-91, the Indigenous Languages Act, that will help with this work. It's important to reconciliation that Canada invest as much in revitalizing and rejuvenating Indigenous languages as it did in eroding them. In closing, for the past 30 years, the First Peoples Cultural Council has been supporting First Nations in their efforts to revitalize our languages, to return that crucial connection to our ceremonies, to our laws, and to our values. Thank you to all those who have helped First Peoples Cultural Council in this work over the past 3 decades. In particular, I want to acknowledge and recognize and thank Tracy Herbert for all of her good work. Ekose, Kinanashkum Tinoa.